Picture this. You're using some online service. You upload data, you run a model, you get a result. And the whole time, you're basically being told, just trust us. But what if we did not have to? Verifiable computing in plain English means you can actually check what happened. You can confirm that service ran the exact code it said it would run. That only touched the data you allowed, that the model wasn't swapped out for something else, and that nobody peeked inside or messed with the process while it was running. Here is a simple idea. The code and the data run inside a protected little bubble inside the chip. Not a folder, not a password, the chip itself. So even the company that owns the server cannot see what happens inside. Before the job starts, the chip can produce a kind of hard proof, a math proof that says this is a real code, this is a right model, this is a clean setup. Nothing hidden got added, nothing got changed. You check that proof, and only then do you let your data in or pay for the work. So wipe shifts. It's not trust us, it's prove it. That was verifiable means there. You keep your data private, but you still get a way to know the system played fair.